Hi guys, welcome to Van Life Cooking 101. Today we'll be cooking a rustler, a microwave burger, in a frying pan. And there's the times when you want something quick to eat, but you haven't got a microwave. Get your frying pan on, a bit of oil in there, and we'll get cooking. Right, so you're ready to go. Pan's on, it's not too hot because you want to slowly cook this meat things. Put that one on the knee. Take the two patties out, put them in. There's one, there's two. Coat it in some oil. Make sure the flame is pretty low because it's already cooked, so I was just reheating them through nice and slowly. There we go, and then we're going to toast the bun once they're done. And just remembered I don't have a plate. So this is going to be fun, so I'm going to look for something for a plate and I'll be right back when we're ready to toast our buns. Alright, I've flipped the burgers, they're looking pretty good. Make sure that one, nice bit of colour on each side of them. Oh yeah, better than the microwave. Now I'm going to take our burgers out and put them to rest on the packaging. I'm there, get off. I couldn't find a plate. Note to self, buy plate. Right, now we're going to chuck that there. I'm going to get our buns on. Oh yeah, always toast your buns. Oh, ah! Ouch. And always let your meat rest. This is Van Cooking 101, microwave burger. Melt in the box while the buns toast. So we'll get our cheese on, sauce on, buns toasted, done. Alright, buns toasted, nice and hot. Your burger, cheese in between. On the bun, grab that one. Beautiful. There we go. Let's get in some light. Oh yeah. Microwave burger in a fry pan. Van Life way. Van Life Cooking 101. Beautiful view. Amesbury over the Salisbury Plain. I'm going to enjoy my burger. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Good night.